Are you worried about your teeth colors? Many of us suffer from stains caused by drinking coffee and tea, and no matter how often we brush our teeth with regular toothpastes, the stains remain on our teeth. There are numerous methods for whitening your teeth. Using bananas and banana peels is one of the most effective ways to make your teeth brighter and whiter. Using a banana or banana skin on the teeth can improve the color of the teeth in a matter of days. Brushing your teeth with banana peel and salt or baking soda will also remove stains. The potassium in banana aids in the removal of dental stains. It also improves the health of your teeth. Let us now learn how to clean teeth with banana peel. The steps are as follows. Peel 1 medium banana. Rub the peel directly on your teeth or toothbrush. Brush your teeth slowly for 2 to 3 minutes. Brushing your teeth in a circular motion may produce better results. Rinse and gargle with lukewarm water. Repeating this procedure several times a week can help you achieve visible teeth whitening. Turmeric can be found in all of our kitchens and is used in cooking. Turmeric is high in essential nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, iron, and potassium. Does it help to whiten teeth? Yes, it does help to whiten your teeth. Turmeric is thought to be particularly beneficial for oral health. Turmeric is useful for home dental care because it is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. A study found that curcumin in turmeric prevents gingivitis and other gum diseases. When compared to mouthwashes, it also removes plaque, bacteria, and inflammation. According to another study, turmeric can be used to treat and relieve dental pain. How can turmeric be used to whiten teeth? Brush your teeth with turmeric powder and do your normal brushing routine. Allow at least 5 minutes for the powder to remain on your teeth and gums. Rinse your mouth and brush your teeth again, this time with toothpaste. Another option is to make your own turmeric toothpaste. Simply combine 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/8 teaspoon coconut oil. Always use natural, high-quality ingredients. In addition, coconut oil has its own set of oral health benefits. Lemon juice is another item that is almost certainly in your home. Lemon juice contains citric acid, a natural bleaching agent. Combine this with the baking soda to create a simple but effective whitening paste. Follow the steps below to use baking soda and lemon juice. Make a paste with 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and gently massage your teeth for 2 minutes in a circular motion. Thoroughly rinse your mouth. Repeat every 2 to 3 months for the best results. Coconut oil, another household item touted for its health benefits, contains lauric acid, which is thought to break down bacteria in your mouth. Coconut oil is commonly used for oil pulling, a natural whitening method, but it can also be mixed with baking soda for brushing. Follow the steps below to use coconut oil and baking soda. Make a paste with 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It may help to melt the oil in the microwave beforehand. Brush your teeth for about 2 minutes with this paste. Thoroughly rinse your mouth with warm water. Repeat this 2 to 3 times per week for a few weeks. Following one of these simple methods will help you achieve whiter teeth and brighter smile. Please subscribe our channel to support us.